Here's a pressure washer that we're going to review here. It has a quick disconnecting. All right, you could connect it. This is a 3/8 connection. All right, input. Now the system itself has another 3/8 there, another 3/8 in here. Push of a button is going to increase the actual flow of water. It's very simple to maneuver, to move around. Spindle on the actual pressure. You could change the nozzles to sharper or even wider if you want. It comes with an option. Comes with the Allen wrench, the actual wrench to actually tie it up. And one important thing, make sure that you include the actual plumbing tape on the connectivity, or it's going to start sprinkling. Right now we're just testing it out right now. We didn't even turn it on full blast, just a little bit so you guys can see it running. Water hoses, if enough. It works pretty much on many pressure washers if you have, but if not, you're gonna have to buy an adapter for it. Like I said, one of the inputs is 3/8 by 5/8. All right, so that's if you want to convert it to actually your pressure washer. You're going to require a 3/8 input, if you guys see it, and then this is a 3/8, if you guys can see the input here. Now, one of the things I like about it, it's very simple to use. All you got to do is press the water, pressure goes in through it, and it starts working. So we're going to finish it up. I'm going to turn it up all the way up so you guys could so I could finish up, but I just wanted to give you guys a demo how this thing works.